Density readings are stable across the 44S Viech batch. Confirmed. Cleared for cutting phase.
Torque check on the left bank fuel rails.
Confirmed, within spec. Moving to the turbocharger mount. With the turret now seated, the traverse mechanism engages, beginning the critical 360-degree rotation test.
Using a heavy-duty winch, the track chains are pulled tight around the drive sprocket before the master pin is finally driven home. As the panoramic sight rotates during its diagnostic scan, the multi-coated lenses flash brilliantly, protected within their armored housings.
The auxiliary power unit allows the tank to run all its electronics and weapons without starting the main 1500 HP engine.
How are the readings looking?
Holding steady. System is secure.
A specialized radar-absorbent base coat in matte Siberian gray is applied, masking the tank's infrared signature.
The unmanned turret spins at its maximum speed of 45 degrees per second, while the gun stabilizer keeps the barrel perfectly locked on target.
Tracer gas dispersion nominal. Initiating scan.
Confirming zero leakage on sector Gamma.
Readings match primary diagnostic. Seal is good.
The robotic arm moves the glowing metal into the 5,000-ton forging press, shaping the complex teeth in a single stroke.
Precision grinding ensures a flawless, mirror-polished finish on the turret bearings. After microscopic inspection,
Workers apply a rough, sandpaper-like anti-slip polymer coating to the hull. This ensures the crew can walk on the tank even in wet or icy conditions without slipping. As the camera modules lock into the armor, the system instantly activates, providing a seamless 360-degree awareness view. The central cobot precisely slides the heavy box of parts onto the conveyor. They are immediately littered.
The robotic ladle ensures the exact volume of aluminum fills the cylinder head mold, a critical step in the precision casting process.
The 5-axis CNC machine carves the crankshaft from forged steel with surgical precision. It transitions.
A robotic laser cladding machine applies a layer of super hard cobalt alloy to the valve seats. This ensures the engine.
Fabricating the air intakes this way drastically reduces weight. The vacuum infusion ensures the resin fully saturates the carbon fiber.
Cable secure.
Initiating jamming sequence. Radius active and pulsing.
The high-capacity air conditioning unit is installed. This system keeps the crew at a comfortable 22 degrees Celsius. The blankets prevent the heat from reaching the tank's exterior, making it much harder for enemy thermal cameras to spot.
Intercom check, 1, 2. Levels are nominal. Now initializing the avionics rack connection to the test network. Stand by for data confirmation.
Specialized argon-shielded equipment welds the lightweight, high-strength titanium plate, reducing the tank's weight while providing excellent protection.
Installing the digital logbook initiates a full system sync, creating a permanent DNA record of the tank's entire manufacturing history. Secured with specialized adhesive, the Uralvagonzavod emblem is a proud symbol of the factory's history and engineering excellence. The Armata maintenance kit includes heavy-duty wrenches, spare filters, and a diagnostic tablet, all organized in a rugged, foam-lined aluminum case.
We formally accept these T-14 Armata tanks into service. They stand ready to defend the motherland.
Target acquired, bearing 240.
Firing Sabot. Impact confirmed. Moving to next objective.
Approaching final position. Clear the deck.
Confirmed. Moving into securing sequence.
All right, bring her down steady. Watch your clearance.
Clear on this side.
And locked. Good job, team. How are the countermeasures holding up?
Frequency hopping is stable, signal strength remains high.
A specialized anti-corrosion detergent is applied using high-pressure jets, removing all dust and grease before final delivery.
A little more gas, keep it steady. All right, set the brake, secure the load.